What is up, dudes and dudettes? Today on our Halloween special, we'll be opening 4 team transports. Some new, some old. Gonna crack them open, do some close-ups, talk about them for a little bit, and just have a rad time at RPM Diecast. Anyway, let's get this video started. Gonna be honest, this wig is scratching the crap out of my neck, so I'm gonna take it off for the rest of this video, but you had them for the introduction, that's all that matters. Okay, let's get started. Now I'm gonna start with the first one, like kind of in sequence, all the way up to the newest one, which is that Ken Mary. So the first one is this number 2. It is the Nissan Laurel 2000 GSX with the Sprinter. One thing I thought was kind of neat was that on the back, you see how it's got these 4 cars? This isn't 2, this is 2, but then it doesn't go 3, 4, 5, which I thought was kind of funky. Because the first one of this was that Porsche Sprinter? No, Speedmaster. Porsche Speedmaster, I think it was. Then it was this one, then it was the Nissan van, the Skyline van. And then it was, and then it goes, it's like 1, 2, 3 isn't on here, and then 4, 5, 6. I thought it was kind of cool. Kind of funky. But, yes. It is the Gretty livery. Let's get her cracked open. Okay, let's get her cracked open. Push it behind the showcase there. Now, obviously, these I'm all gonna do close-ups on, but the Laurel is such a nice vehicle. I like the one that was in that, it was like a display box. It was like kind of like a maroon red. It was really nice. But nice. 71, I'm assuming for 1971. Yeah, and this is the one that, no it doesn't. But this was the one that opened from the side, but that wasn't until later on, and it's a totally different looking truck. But anyway, here is the Sprinter truck. Has that plastic insert still in there. But Gretty all around it. Gretty livery. Really nice. Again, I'm going to do all the close-ups at the very end, so you're going to see me crack them all, then they'll go on spinners, then we'll wrap it up. Next will be number 8, which is the Nissan Skyline Haka, the 2000 GTX. I had this car by itself, but the paint chipping, I don't know, I bought it loose, but the paint chipping on it was so bad that when I saw this for sale, I was like, I gotta grab it. Now, a lot of these, actually all of these, except for this one I think, came from customers in the shop that either brought it in just for me, or we got one of them, like the this one was brought in for sale, but I ended up, I'm gonna keep it because we have 2 of them. So yeah, here's the so nice. I love this racing livery, the red one. You see this car done a lot of the time in the red, and then there's green. I think there's like an orangey cream one too, but this red one I think is the nice out of all of the liveries. Just the white. Well, this one's more like of a cream color, but it's like cream on red kind of thing. It's got the ad van on it. Yeah. I don't know why, but I thought this had the Junamai sticker on it, but it doesn't. Yeah, here's the truck. Just a standard truck, almost. Actually, it is the same as the first one that I opened. And then the next one is the Pantera, the one with the Golf livery on it, number 57. I love the Golf livery. I started collecting the Golf livery maybe a year ago now. Just the livery itself. So the car, the fact that it has a juicy wide body kit is a bonus, because again, for those who don't know, that's how I started collecting, was I was collecting any car that had any sort of wide body kit on it. That was my niche that I kind of started with. I started with a Porsche 993 GT2 was my first Hot Wheel I ever got, and then I kind of just started going from there, and now I've got quite a decent collection. I wouldn't say large. I mean, there's like 200 or 300 cars, but yeah, really nice golf livery. Damn, this is a nice casting. I don't know if I'd call it chipping, but it's got some paint defects. But I mean, what do you expect when you're making a ton of these? Also, love this truck because it's just so different. I don't have one of these, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 Team Transports. This is the only one that I have with this truck. Really, really cool golf livery all around. Big one on the back. Beefcake wheels on it. So nice. So nice. Last but not least, and probably the one I am most excited for, although that Laurel, just because they don't do it very often, was my favorite, but this is my second favorite. So I'm going to say this is my second favorite to open, is this Liberty Walk. This is the newest one that I have, number 69. Oh, number 69. It is the, yeah, the Ken Mary in the classic blue. You know, there's a main line in it as well. I'm gonna go grab it. Just to compare them, I'm gonna go grab it. Okay, so, sorry. Main line. The premium Team Transport. Oh, I almost just knocked a bunch of Funko Pops over, but that is okay. Let's put that back in there. Okie dokie. Here is the Ken Mary. I'm pretty sure it's the exact same casting. I mean, I don't know why they would change it when it already looks so good. So here is the main line. The only real difference that I can see, one, are the wheels. Obviously, there's that. But then this one says Liberty Walk on the side here. This one does not. The premium one does not. It's just a clean. It's got the same window decal, which I love. I love the window decals. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I got obsessed with RWB when I first started collecting, and they do those big banners on the top, and yeah. Same headlights. Oh yeah, this is right, because it's got because it's a premium, obviously. It's got the detailed headlights, detailed taillights, and the little license plate. 97 to 63, which I thought pretty sweet. And then here's this truck, Liberty Walk, and then it says Liberty Performance in the corner. I thought this was the, hold on, I'm pretty sure it looks like it does. I could be wrong though. I hope I didn't just break it. Okay, I'm gonna say that that doesn't open. Although it definitely looks like it does. There's like a gap up there. I mean, maybe I'm doing it wrong, or it doesn't. It's not supposed to pop open. But I'm just gonna assume. Oh, my mouth, Jesus! I'm just gonna assume that it doesn't. And I'll look at a video later to see if it does, because I didn't. Oh, sweet! It's got the. Sorry, this is like a off tangent. It's got the same window decal as the car. Once it focuses, come on camera, there we go. So cool. Also, I'm shooting in a different mode, so now it's supposed to focus hopefully better, because in the mode I was in before, stuff was blurry all the time. Anyway guys, that was all four. I'm gonna go do the close-ups. They look so good together, like a little family. Anyway, we're gonna go do the close-ups, then we will end off this video. I don't blame him for this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, I have an eBay auction starting on Saturday, October, or is it November? I think it's November 2nd. Let me just check. It is November 2nd. It starts and it ends the following Saturday. We've got Super T Hunt. Super T Hunts. There's two. A Redline Club, a bunch of main lines, some Team Transport, some Ferrari main lines. There should be about 100 cars starting, so I'm going to leave that in the description and as a pinned comment down below, just a link to our store. Everything starting from 50 cents to about $3. I think is going to be the most I start them at, or $5. Just so everybody has an equal chance. I'm not gouging prices. It'll be whatever it sells for, and there will be free shipping in Canada and US. If you spend $35 Canadian, there will be free shipping in Canada and the US, just because eBay now has cheaper shipping for those two countries. The rest, it'll be whatever eBay charges you, sadly. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Don't forget about our giveaway, the Super T Hunt, as well as the R34 Skyline from Fast and Furious. I think it's from the early 2000s or mid 2000s. Subscribe and keep on collecting.